Let's say, theoretically, you're driving along, and you decide to take on a little trail, and you get into a bit of a situation. Said situation then decides to escalate into a broken front right CV axle. Here's what I used to fix it. Make sure to assure your passengers that this will only take 5 minutes. Once the car is jacked up and on jack stands, the wheel can be removed. The main axle nut can then be removed as well. The method I use to replace these involves disconnecting the lower ball joint and sway bar end link, so I'll do that. There's a roll pin on the transmission side of the axle. Using the punch and hammer, along with a bit of patience, it can be removed. With these things unbolted, pry the hub up from the lower control arm. And this will give you plenty of room to remove the axle. The hole for the roll pin on the axle does have a top and bottom. Make sure to align it correctly. Cool. It's gonna go this way, up. Now do everything you just did, but in reverse with a new axle, and bingo bongo, it's ready to go better than ever.